Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Megan Alfonseca here, located in Bayahibe in the Dominican Republic. And as you can see behind me, I have this gorgeous picture of a project that is to come here in the brand new neighborhood. You would actually be my neighbor, so my office is right over there, steps away. So there is a brand new project that's coming here, and this one is very interesting because the developer is giving it until July of 2028. So if you've been thinking that maybe you want to start investing in a property but you need a little bit longer to pay, you want to take advantage of those interest-free payment plans during construction, this could definitely be the one for you. Then you guys have until July of 2028. Construction does start in June of this year, June 2025, and it has some amazing amenities. There's a lot of competition on the market right now, so these developers are coming up with some pretty amazing complexes. So this one in particular offers you 2 floors of your underground parking or semi-underground parking. You will have studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and even 3 bedroom penthouses that you could choose from. And this place pretty much has everything. It has 10 commercial units. You guys will have everything that you need in the building, in the complex. Of course, if you want, you can always go out. We are super close to the beach. You know this neighborhood well because my office is here, but the beach is right down this way, the Bayahibe Public Beach. The units come with some of the appliances included. I'll start throwing up some pictures here on the screen so that you guys can see some of the different details. But you also have lots of amazing amenities. So you have your gym, you have a restaurant, that's your Sky restaurant. It's up on the top, and when you look out, you have the most amazing view. So it is pretty cool. You have other things like pool, you have a kids area. You actually have a section where there's people that will watch the kids, so you can have your kids play and have fun, and also have someone take a look at them while you jump into the other pool if you want, or however you want to work it. And something that's really important too is that with these units, you have a parking spot that comes with your unit, and not just a parking spot that comes with it, but you have a title to the parking spot, so it is yours. You have your parking spot and your unit. So there's a lot of opportunities here. We have some really cool setup to show you how these different units look. We have the system that you can basically have a 360 walkthrough of these units, which is something very different. We haven't seen that on the market yet. So if you guys want some more details on this project, make sure to get in touch with me or any of the Tropical Realty agents, and we can send you the brochure, the system to see things in 360, and prices. Speaking about prices, you're looking at an investment of just around 91,000 US dollars up to just under 500,000 US dollars. Obviously, there's a difference when you're talking about different sizes, how many bedrooms and all of that, but there's pretty much a range for everyone. The place is gorgeous, so check out the pictures I posted and make sure to get in touch with us for more details. Thank you guys so much. See you for the next one.